Hello everyone, and in this way to learn Mandarin, we're going to look at some typical Chinese apps and see if we are able to navigate around those apps without even knowing the language. Okay, so I have 3 apps installed on my phone by my girlfriend. She says these are 3 popular apps that people will use in China. One is Meitou. Then we have a weird thing with a kind of pig. And then there is, I think the last one is Taobao on the list, which is the most popular shopping app in China. And you basically, from my understanding, is that you can buy there anything from, well, just from your normal appliances that you need, like a mobile phone, to clothes, to jewelry, to complete houses even that you're able to buy there. So you can literally buy anything there. So let's see if we can use the first app. And there are some terms and conditions I need to accept, which we just accept. Okay, they need my device location, phone calls apparently. And then we have symbols for food, a cat. Okay, destinations. Okay, this gets difficult. A, B. Let's see, I think they want to know my location. Let's see if we do London. Okay, that's London. Let's see what we get. This events. So I can buy here an entrance ticket for 1 person to the London Eye for 216 yen. But there's also food to get. So I can get Fortnum and Mason in there. Okay, so you can even order things here, which is interesting. Open from 11 to 7. A savory afternoon tea, red velvet, black tea with peach yogurt. Okay, so an afternoon tea at Fortnum and Mason. It looks like that this is a kind of, would it be a Deliveroo app or like Uber Eats or any other franchise, you know, where they just order. It's okay. It's like just reviews. Is it reviews? So would this be, maybe it's more like lobster omelette. Maybe it's more like what is it, Yelp or TripAdvisor, or I can't order, but there were prices on there. Like VIP, Fortnum and Mason, Soho, Top, Union Jack. There are prices on there. Can't do this. What's this? Then I need to log in. Let's see if we can do something. So do here. Oh wait. Log in. I think WeChat. I have WeChat. Let's see what happens when I log in. Agree. Okay. What does happen? I have no idea. I'm just giving my data to everyone without knowing what I'm doing. Then I still need... Okay, never mind. I'm not going to log in. Abort. Back. Then profile, we don't have profile. The Union Jack. So if I would go London Eye, what do I get? I get a phone number. I get a rating from people. Then we get reviews from people. And we get, I think, restaurants in the area that people highly recommend. So 1.2 kilometers away, there is a restaurant in Soho where people are going. Beltane and Pub, so that's also like red bus shops, M&S. It's not just supermarkets, so I don't know what this category is. So can you use this app? Yes, I can navigate around, but is it useful? No, not at all, because I think it's a review app and I can't use it. So, okay. Let's go to the second app, which is a weird pig thing, which I still don't know what it is. Fliggy. Fliggy.com. Accept terms and conditions. Always accept. Like, At least with the color thing, it's easy to know which button is the accept thing. This is also with prices. This looks like experiences, all holidays. This holiday booking or something. 3 for 2 people. Need to download something. Don't want to download anything. 490 yen. For an experience somewhere on days. So I don't know what the difference is between those apps, because there's flights, I can book transport and stuff. Then there's holiday destination, a complete holiday package what I can book here. And there are videos from people, like 521,000 views for this picture, which isn't even loading. It's not the fastest app. So you can post here your thing. Oh. No, I need to log in. I don't want to log in. So you need to post here your thing. You can post here your picture. There are more pictures. Why does it not work? And then there are prices underneath to have that same experience. So she promotes her hotel, and then you can book that hotel as well. It's a bit of a weird picture. From New June 118. And then you can book your hotel. So this is kind of well, there are no reviews here, so this is more about Instagram pictures combined with just promotion of hotels, flights, experiences that you can book directly. It was the World Globe. World Globe is around the world. This is, you need an account. Then we have this, go on a trip, where you also need an account. And then that's also an account section. So it seems that Chinese people are very interested in selling. I want to explore maybe some other apps at another time which not about selling, because, well, this page is not loading. It's not the fastest app. Let's go to the last app that we have, and that's Taobao. So the previous app, the pick one, Fliggy, you could use it again, but again, you can't read anything. And booking, probably you need a Chinese card or Chinese number, which is normally the problem. You need something Chinese too. At least Taobao accepts Visa and Master as a payment method, as a card method. And then there are things. So let's see what they sell on Taobao. So they have like curtains and a lot of homeware. And like, see those prices, 11.6 yuan. You need to divide it by around 10 or 9. So 11.6 would be around £1.50, which equals around $2 for that plate, or like that set on the right with the pens is around 4 or 5 US dollars, like £4. Let's see if we can find a house. Let's see if we can search in English on the website. I don't think we can. A house we can't find. It brings me on backs. Oh, wait. Whoa. It's an account again. No one account. House party. Remote gears. Let's say we want... Let's buy a TV, shall we? See TV. Then we have everything related to a TV. And a Google Chromecast is $65. That's not that much cheaper, to be fair. So yeah, I think Taobao you can use as well, but you need some help, because my main question is now, well, we can use it, which is great if you're in China, because that's just like, apparently you can get everything here. And you could do, of course, Google Translate thing and then paste where the product name where you want in here if you want a more precise search. And if prices are in US dollars, I assume they do international delivery, but I'm not sure if that's the case. Oh, there's a photo functionality. Allowed to take pictures and record video while using the app. Okay, let's see if we can find a mouse. No, not working. Maybe it's a barcode scanner. Never mind. So yeah, conclusion is you can use those apps. You can navigate around. You can see what it's about. But Is it useful in the end? I don't think I end up paying anything through this thing because it's too complicated. So yeah, let me know if there are any other apps I have to check out what you can use by yourself without being able to speak any Mandarin.